We need highly skilled engineers graduating from UWA because it's the engineers that will be designing the solutions of the future. UWA College is a fantastic option for those students who perhaps haven't quite met the engineering requirements to come in directly to UWA.
UWA College is a pathway provider that offers international students entry into UWA programs.
From day one, UWA College students are UWA students. They have access to all the clubs, societies, facilities, and are treated like a UWA student.
It provides the foundation training, lots and lots of support for the students so that when they do transition into the UWA engineering program, they are set up for success.
UWA College has two key pathways into engineering studies at UWA. The first is our Foundation Program, which a student studies a broad range of subjects, including maths and physics, to prepare them for their first year of study in an engineering degree at UWA.
Before progressing to UWA, I decided to go into the 8-month Foundation Program in the UWA College. I believe transitioning from high school to university environments, especially for an international student like me, is quite hard. So that's why I have chosen to go to the Foundation Program so I can ease my transition so I can be more prepared in the university.
The second is our Diploma in Engineering. It's an exciting new offering for UWA College students because of the way in which it supports students into the Bachelor of Engineering honours. Students start with the college in small classes with teachers who are trained in supporting students with English as a second language. From there, they move into UWA units in our integrated semester. So a student enters the university's lectures but comes back to the college for additional tutoring and support.
The teacher at the college are very supporting to me. In my math class, my teacher Tiffany always helped me.
The way the classrooms are designed and set up, it means that you can interact with the students more freely. You get to know your teacher also gets to know you. It's a very supportive environment.
Our engineering degree has hands-on learning from the first semester right through to the last. It was designed in consultation with industry to give our students all of the skills and attributes that industry are looking for in modern engineering graduates. Within that, we teach 9 different engineering specialisations. The building I'm standing in at the moment is eZone. It's a world-class facility. It contains all of our major laboratory. There's multi-million dollars worth of equipment. Our degree program is accredited with Engineers Australia, which means graduates can work anywhere in the world as an accredited engineer. We have students working in the top of SpaceX, in Google, in Formula One teams. Students go on to achieve really, really amazing things with a degree from UWA.